Do you ever wonder how planes get moved around the airport without starting their engines? Well, they get towed, of course. This is done because some flights have to depart from different parts of the airport or different terminals. Maybe they need a parking stand for an extended amount of time, or they get moved to the hangar for maintenance. This can be done by a conventional tug and tow bar, or tow barless, where it actually picks up the plane by the nose gear. Today, I'm going to show you an average day of towing planes around. Before we get started into the video, here's a quick disclaimer. Just a quick disclaimer before getting into today's video. This is only filmed for entertainment purposes and not one-to-one educational. This also provides insight into the aviation industry and overall better understanding of the field in general, to reduce any negative connotations. Everything that was filmed was at my discretion, along with the permission of my fellow coworkers. Additionally, all of my employer's standard operating procedures were followed in all the shots shown in this video. Everything I make is also not to paint my employer in the negative limelight either. Enjoy.
You're going to go 71 to east one, and then hopefully 741's ready, and you can go to the hangar and grab 741.
Sorry, after 504, what was that second one?
832 down the bottom.
Oh, at the what? Oh, Jesus.
It's gonna go to east. It's gonna go to east too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that was the easy one you're talking about. Okay.
I haven't confirmed it yet. I have to call. You're probably on a walk. That would be obvious. And then you go grab 741, and then hopefully your two hots. Your two hots are spaced out by 2 hours.
Oh yeah, that's more than enough time.
You call us.
That's more than enough time. Yeah, that's fine.
We'll
Yeah, that's
do,
fine.
3 hangars.
All right. This is a Goldhofer AST2, originally manufactured in Germany and used all around the world. This is a tow barless tow tractor and is rated for planes as small as an Embraer 175 and up to planes as big as a 777-300. It features a fully reversible seat and can be driven facing forward in either direction. Planes can be pushed back 2 different ways, conventionally with a tow tractor and a tow bar, and a tow pin, or tow barless, where the tow tractor grips onto the nose gear and physically picks up the plane, which the Goldhofer will do today. There is also reverse thrust, which is pretty dated and unsafe. It's mostly used with prop planes nowadays for a turnout, and there's the Russian way. Ground to at 842, requesting the reposition to Echo 86 with the max.
Pushback 42, your discretion.
Pushback my discretion, good morning.
Pushback.
I really apologize, but my 360 footage got corrupted during the editing, so all the pushback shots out of the gates all got deleted.
1 proceed via Juliet Alpha, you've been your discretion to the 8.
Juliet Alpha to the gate. Thank you.
Charlie Mike Romeo, taxi across.
When either pushing back or towing with a conventional tow bar, a brake rider is required. This is just in case of a load-bearing shear pin snaps. So, what a shear pin is designed to do is it's supposed to brake as a warning system for overbearing stress that could either damage the tow bar or the aircraft. This is where a brake rider comes into place while towing, or a pilot when a live flight is being pushed back. The brake rider is also for when the weight of the plane overtakes the push tractor due to inertia, so they can hit the brakes and reduce overall damage. But the thing with tow barless tractors is there's no tow bar, so there's no shear pin to be snapped. The tow tractor is essentially a part of the plane, in which a brake rider is not required. But that being said, inertia is still a thing, and you can still jackknife the aircraft.
This morning, Canada 100, identifier 982 Hotel Romeo, noise 1, still expecting 8 lots this morning?
Canada 100, negative. It'll be runway 08 right, so I'll give you the clearance when you're ready.
Go ahead for Canada 100.
Canada 100, re-clear to Toronto via the Fraser 7 departure. Canada 100, feedback is correct. Data is uniform.
Grab it. Our discussion is going to start at 9:43.
Ground tow. Ready to proceed.
Hold short of Tango for now.
Hold Chicago Tango, Tony.
Hold short of Tango, got 2 exiting the apron at Tango.
Holding short of Tango.
You're for 80, confirm?
Affirmative.
Give way to United, enter the apron at Tango for 880.
Copy United, Tango to 80.
Tow ground, give way to company under tow, entering the apron at Tango, they're going into gate 80. Once they go by on the apron discretion to east parking.
After the company comes through at Tango, east 1 to my discretion there. Thank you.
Sure.
Tango ground channel is 146 on Echo.
Channel 146, ground taxi by it.
Ground tow with you, Quebec short Mike with a company 777, requesting to reposition to Charlie 50.
John, northbound proceed, Mike, hold short of Juliet.
Mike short Juliet tow. So, if a tow barless tractor is so useful, why aren't they used more? Well, as most things in the airline industry come down to, it's cost. A brand new Goldhofer AST2 can cost over $500,000 per unit. That's just the start before maintenance. These units have a lot of different hydraulic moving parts and break down more often than a conventional tow tractor. What offsets the negatives is of how practical and fast they are. They have a broader range of aircrafts that can be towed, they can tow faster, and it requires less manpower to perform the operation. Not to mention, but it seems to be the case with most modern equipment, it's more fuel efficient too. Or there's even battery operated models now.
Vancouver ground, Skywest 3691, ready for taxi, Victor. 3691 ground, runway 08, right altimeter 3012. Taxi Tango Mike Victor, hold short hotel. Taxi Tango Mike Victor, hold short hotel, Skywest 3691. Proceed Juliet Charlie to the apron.
Juliet Charlie to the apron. Thank you.
Juliet.
Air Canada 295, ground taxi Juliet to the apron.
Juliet to the apron, Air Canada 295.
Who's the other one?
That's Jazz 242 on the left wait left.
Jazz 242, 342, Vancouver Tower, clear to land, runway 08 left.
I'm with you at 846 with the max, requesting to reposition the Echo, please.
Pushback your discretion, proceed Juliet Charlie, Juliet, hold short, Juliet Alpha.
Pushback by discretion, Juliet Charlie, Juliet, hold short, Juliet Alpha.
Continue to proceed by Juliet, Mike, and hold short of Tango for now.
Juliet, Mike, hold short of Tango.
Ground. Proceed by Tango and then bypass.
Tango, bypass, and gate 80 there for tow?
Correct.
You got it. Thank you.
Gate 73 ready for push and start.
WestJet 1596, ground pushback, your discretion.
Your discretion, WestJet 1596.
Ground clear 848, gate 59, ready for push.
Horizon 2136 tower, stay this frequency, exit Mike 4 on the high.
Hey, Ricky. Yeah. Who said you can take the truck?
on here?
Ground proceed via Juliet Bravo, Juliet, hold short of Mike.
Juliet Bravo, Juliet, hold short of Mike.
Proceed via Juliet, Mike, to the north hangar.
Juliet, Mike to the north hangar. Thank you. So that's an average day of towing. It's an interesting and fun job, yet can be high stress at times. It's the closest job to being an actual pilot, so it's fun being a fake pilot for a day. I had a lot of fun making this video, but again, it's for entertainment purposes and not educational. I like making these videos, but they don't really get the same viewership as I would say on a flight review video. So I'd like to know what the viewer thinks about these videos, so feel free to drop a comment. Also, if you found this video interesting, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Cheers, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.